I want to show you how well this is going to work. Now I've just placed the windscreen, that's what they call it, on top of the radiator. But with this piece right here, and this is a foam piece, and you can see the bottom where I've cut off a couple pieces to make it work. I just cut off a shelf off of this lengthwise, and you can see that I can take the shelf and make it longer on this side, pull it out on this side, and make it longer on this side, so that I have a direct airflow that's going to go through here and not down through there. It's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. It's cheap. It's easy. I can position this 100 different ways. Oh, damn it. I was just dreaming and I came up with it. But I won't know the final position until I get this piece on. And that's got to go on with, what are you doing under there? Get out of there. Jesus, weird cat. What are you doing? I got two weird cats. This piece goes on right between the, right between here. And this is something somebody may be able to help me out with. I have put this lower boob piece on. I put it over the rubber grommet. Now I'm not sure if it goes over or under. I can't remember. What the hell are you doing? Better lay off the meth. Strange ass cats. So I'll put this on, and if you're gonna, this is the tip of the day, if you're gonna use any kind of tape to tape anything onto your bike, like that you want to stay on there and stick on there, this is the shit you use. This is it. Okay, this is Gorilla Tape. It costs $8, but this is extra sticky, double-sided. This is what duct tape used to look like. It all used to look like this. It doesn't look like this silver-sided paper crap that you got today. But if you gotta glue something on, use Gorilla Tape. This shit is the best for holding on. As you can see, when I took it off, the gray on here, this is the adhesive on the Gorilla Tape, and I've cleaned it all up, but I put it on years ago and it's still there. So now I have the radiator situated. I've got to put the lower end on, or this front end on, put the wheel back on, get my hoses that'll go down here. They should go down like about here, and then come down here, I hope, if this will fit on it. See, that's another problem. The hoses have to go through the back of here. They have to go down here, and they have to go down here. And remember, this is that old piece. It just looks new. It's got a little bit of dust and dirt on it. But if you use some of that black truck bed covering, you can really renew your bike pieces if they're real old, and it'll make the bike look new again. And you can do it every season for $20. Make every part look almost brand new. So I made some big headway. I found out that my radiator does not leak. These ABBA clamps, if you buy them, you got to watch out, because you can get them on eBay. You have to watch out because you can crank them down too tight, and they will crush the pipe underneath it before the clamp strips. I've never seen one strip. And to tell you the truth, you know, these are made in Sweden, and I'd love to see some, you know, Swedish strippers. We'll carry on.